we will be making a volcano eruption. What we've done already for this is we've glued a plastic water bottle into here and used some polystyrene on the outside to create the frame of the volcano.
Paper mache.
Yeah, we've used some paper mache using newspaper on top to create the volcano. So now we've got to paint it and then make an eruption.
So we have completed the base colour. We're just going to leave it to dry and then add. So now I'm going to start painting it a bit more to make the landscape realistic.
Here's our finished volcano ready for action. So now it's time for the explosion. Ariana will first fill the bottom of the water bottle in there with bicarbonate of soda. Then I will add vinegar and red food colouring to get the effect of the volcano. And this could either be epic or an epic fail. So we'll just have to see what happens. Make sure it goes in water. Yeah, that's fine.
A bit more.
Yep. Keep adding. Come on. And yeah, still more. Still more. We've finished layering the bottom with bicarbonate of soda.
So now Yamala is going to add some food colouring.
Okay. Right. I think that'll be enough. I'm just gonna add some more, just in case. Yeah, I think that's enough. It's fizzing in there. For this part, we need safety goggles, aka sunglasses. So we've mixed some vinegars in together, and now I'm a bit scared.
Whoa! So don't keep pouring.
It's working.
It's work.
Has it reached the river? It's reaching it.
Although the red food colouring doesn't work.
The red food colouring didn't.
You can see it's a bit red, but it's mainly bubbly.
Yeah. Pour a bit more in.
Bubbling at the top.
No, pour a bit more in.
Let's watch it again in slow-mo.
We think this was a really fun project to do, except we got the measurements a bit wrong. We should have added more bicarbonate of soda and less vinegar. However, it still worked, and yeah, the explosion was okay, and it was just fun. Please like, subscribe if you can, and check out our other videos.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!